Hi, sometimes whenever you're trying to install or update any Licsys system's license, you get this type of error, just after running any command provided by us. So in this video, we will see that how can we fix this error and further proceed to the installation or upgradation. And for this, you need to open resolve.conf file, which is inside etc directory with nano or any other text editor you want. Remove everything pre-written in the file, including the comment. And start typing. Name server 8.8.8.8. And press enter for new line, and type the same thing again. After that, press Ctrl+X, then Y, then enter to save changes. Now try to run the command. And you can see the error is gone. Thank you for your time.